Just talking to somebody that very hurt just now. I just want to tell you this, and not just you, but anyone else who go through things like these. You see, when people tell you all these negative things that they assume of you, you have to make sure you use them to motivate yourself. You have to prove them wrong, who you are. Because if you don't do that, then you're going to give them that power to constantly use their mouth to bring you down. You have to step out in a fine style and let them shame. You know, growing up, them used to say, what them say something another like, shame the devil, do something another, shame the devil. Not remember the quote directly. You have to shame the devil sometimes. You do. So you have something to prove by shaming the devil. So do you prove them wrong? Let me tell you, prove them wrong. Yeah, try to remember the word exactly. But people tend to draw assumptions. They don't know you. So don't let that bother you. There's so much more in life that you need to worry about than what people said about you. You have to be strong. You have to self-driven. Drive yourself to success. Okay? Don't let anybody determine that for you, because only you and God can determine who you are and where you want to be. So don't let anybody dictate that to you and you put it in your head and feel like a truth. Don't do it. No make nobody tell you nothing below you and you said, oh, maybe I truth. No, do it. You gotta shame the devil. Shame him. And anyone who are trying to bring you down, shame them. Okay? Put in the work and shame them. Because me not make nobody make me sit down and ball, so you know. No, they not deserve it. Me not make nobody feel like them know me more than how me know myself. No, me not give nobody that power. Me know who I am. Me know how to feel. Me know God love me. Me know me have a family who love me. Why me should I make you make me feel belittle more than what me feel about myself? You don't know me. You don't know me. So me cannot give you that power. Remember, God is love. And me know 100% say God love me. Me not ask you, nor you. Me I tell you, say God love me. Because me believe. Me speak it into being. The powers is in the tongue. And me been a ask God for love me. So from him love me, even though my kids them not love me. From him love me know that's love. So guess what? No make nobody make you belittle and be below what you believe of yourself. God bless you and have a great day. Cheer up yourself, and not just you alone, but anybody will discover. Find way to ask God for him love. Because really for a fact, I just God love we need. Trust me. Because people change. People sometimes come like green lizard. This moment they will love you, the next moment they not love you. So really for a fact, you really only need God love. Even you're picking them too. Sometimes they will love you this moment, and because you tell them the truth, they don't love you in that moment. While God love you in every moment. What more you need? Don't make nobody make you lose your night sleep because of what they think of you. Okay? That's when me I try to explain to you. Please. Anybody will go through that. There's so much other things in life where me can't think about than for worry about what somebody think about me. Me not do it. Sorry. You're not that special.